How to fix Mozilla Firefox browser not working or not responding in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is right click on the start button, choose task manager, and under process tab look for Firefox, select it and choose end task. End task through task manager and open a fresh Firefox browser. It will definitely work. If your problem is not solving through task manager, then go to next fixes, press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, or right click on a start button and choose run command box, and here type the command Firefox safe mode. It will open Firefox in safe mode and you can work as usual. Here you will find two options, open and refresh Firefox. First you can choose refresh Firefox and check whether your Firefox is responding, working or not. If not, open Firefox in troubleshoot mode, means open Firefox in safe mode. The next workaround to fix this issue is launch Firefox browser. Click on three horizontal dot, click on add and add-ons and themes, and if you installed any extension in your Firefox browser, simply disable it. Thereafter update Firefox browser. Again go to three horizontal dot, go to option help, hover the cursor on help and choose about Firefox. Click on it, Firefox browser checking for updates, and Firefox will update. Next workaround to fix this issue is again go to same browser and click on three horizontal dot and choose settings. Thereafter go to left side and go to privacy and security. Click on it, clear cookies and cached data. From where cookies and site data, choose clear data. Click on clear data and here make the check against option cookies and site data and cached web content and click on clear. Finally click on clear now and check whether Microsoft is working properly or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to same Windows, choose settings and under general go to performance section. Here uncheck the option use recommended performance settings and a new option will available, use hardware acceleration when available. Uncheck this option as well and check whether your Firefox browser is working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button, choose Windows settings. Here go to apps, installed apps, look for Firefox. Here click on three horizontal dot and choose uninstall and install a fresh Mozilla Firefox browser in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. That's all.